Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to revise workbook lesson 7 Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. So, children, you take out your workbook and revision copy and get ready for revision. English workbook lesson 7 Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf, page number 44. Now, these words are, we are understand this word with yesterday. What did you do yesterday? जो वर्क हो चुका है, कल हो चुका है, yesterday. Fill in the blanks, use of words in the box. ये सब हैं एक्शन वर्ड्स. एक्शन वर्ड्स के ये हैं yesterday. जब यूज़ करते ये हैं तो ये वर्ड्स हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. फर्स्ट, द मैन वॉक्ड टू द मार्केट. वॉक हो गया वॉक्ड. द बॉय एट अ बनाना. ईट पास्ट एट. सीता गेव हर ब्रदर अ पेंसिल. गिव पास्ट टेंस वर्ड gave. Santosh rode a cycle up the hill. Ride past rode. The cat slept in the tree. Sleep past tense word slept. The old woman asked for help. Asked past tense word asked. Pradeep saw a tiger in the zoo. See past tense word saw. So these are past tense words. Means what did you do yesterday? Yesterday. Now here's some question and their answer. Did the man walk to the market? We are making question of these sentences. Did the man walk to the market? The man walked to the market. Did the boy eat a banana? The boy ate a banana. Did Sita give her brother a pencil? Sita gave her brother a pencil. Both words are here present and past. Did Santosh ride the cycle up the hill? Santosh rode the cycle up the hill. Did cat sleep in the tree? The cat slept in the tree. The old woman asked for help. The old woman asked for help. Did Pradeep see a tiger in the zoo? Pradeep saw a tiger in the zoo. Okay, children, hope you are understand. Now, what do the do every day? Everyday words. Action words for every day. A policeman catches robber. Catch cats. A milkman milks cow. A doctor helps sick people. For a one we are using when action words we are adding es or s. A doctor helps sick people. A baker bakes bread. A cobbler mends shoes. Okay, now come to the next. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Mr. Das works in a bank. Every day he works in the bank. He goes to work every day. Goes. On Sunday he sleeps late. Every Sunday he sleeps late. On Monday he wakes up early every Monday. He eats his breakfast. He is reading a newspaper. This time is reading a newspaper. Then he gets onto his uh, cycle. He rides to work. Okay, children, I hope you understand this chapter. Yesterday word, everyday word. Okay. Now you take out your revision copy. First you have put date, English workbook revision. Lesson 7, Clever Fox and Gritty Wolf. Fill in the blanks with yesterday words. You have to fill it yesterday word. The man to the market. The boy a banana. Sita her brother a pencil. Now next, fill in the blanks with everyday words. A policeman, robbers. A milkman, cows. A doctor, sick people. A baker, dash brick. A cobbler, dash shoes. Now fill in the blanks with correct words. Mr. Das in a bank. He to work every day. On Monday he up early. He his breakfast. He the newspaper. Then he into his bicycle. He to work. Okay. So children, you read this chapter and then after you close this book, then you fill the blanks. Okay, children. This is today's work. Now, children, bye.